Yeah. So we have here the X, the phone that gives you access to Android applications. What you have here is an app launcher screen that has all of the applications that you are using on one screen, and a Fastlane screen that has the latest applications you've been using. So anything that you use most is right there on top and quickly accessible. You can edit the screen by holding down, and basically you can resize these tiles and you can move them around as you wish. So hold down and you can move them around like this. You can add Android widgets by clicking on the bottom there. So if the application offers a widget, just by clicking you can add it in the front screen. You can also add folders to that, so if you want to manage quite a lot of what you have here, and that's it.
What about the store, Nokia Store?
Yes, so we have a Nokia Store here that has access to all of these Android applications through here. So the applications that are submitted into our store would be utilizing all of the Nokia APIs, so in-app payments, gear maps, and notifications. But if certain applications wouldn't be yet available in our store, you would be able to find them through some other Android stores.
What are the Microsoft apps that comes pre-installed in the Nokia X?
So we have the Skype. A deal was one of that we basically announced here. That's going to be pre-installed right there. We also, Outlook.com is the mail client that we prefer on this, as well as OneDrive. So OneDrive giving you this cloud storage on it.
So is the OneDrive a native app or is a web version of the app? Okay, so it's a proper native app.
Yeah.
Okay. And can you take me through the settings part?
Yeah, so there's one way to go is through the bar on the top. You click there and there's the settings that you can go, and there are all the settings available that you want to set on this screen. Accounts, accessibility, Fastlane settings, date and time, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and so on.
The data counter does work the same way, like does it has a combination with the operator, or is it like the data that is already calculated on the phone?
It's on. That's a good question, to be honest. The data counter would be telling exactly how much data there is.
So it's the same data counter which is on Android, the same one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then if you use two SIMs, you can just pull down and you can switch between them, click which one you're using at any of the time.
Do you have the smart SIM functionality where if one number is busy, you can switch to a second number?
I don't remember which dual SIM setting this uses. You would need to check that from Nokia.com. It would have all of the latest information in terms of that kind of specification. Sorry about that.
Okay, so now can you take me back to the screen again? Oh, the back of it?
So if you hold down, you always go to the home screen, and if you click once, it goes one screen back. So that's kind of our one-button strategy here.
And it's the same as the timeline of the Asha series, right?
Yes, the Fastlane is exactly the same. So you go on site, and this one is always the latest that you have. If you would pull down and I would have any calendar things happening, you would be getting them on top. And then of course the latest applications, and if there's anything that you can interact with, like messages and so on, you could do it directly from the Fastlane.
And one last question is the pre-installed apps, can they be uninstalled if the user wants?
There are certain applications that wouldn't be so easy. So like for my Mix Radio here, what happens is when you hold down, it doesn't offer you an option to uninstall it. When you hold down on the others, there you can see the X on top, which allows you to uninstall the application.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.